Do you know that a nun from Indonesia lived in Old Goa and making her one of the first nuns from Indonesia? Yes, her name was Mother Sor Ignacia de Chagas, mother, sister. Soror means in Portuguese, sister. Mother Sor Ignacia de Chagas. Ignacia after wounds. Chagas means wounds. So that was her name. So Mother Sor Ignacia de Chagas was born as the daughter of the great captain Sancho de Vasconcelos and Donna Catarina de Lima in the fortress of Amboino. During that time, it was under the Portuguese rule. Amboino is the current Ambon Island in Maluku, Indonesia. And she joined the convent of Santa Monica on 2nd September 1607, and she was professed as a nun on 9th of November 1608. She had a great devotion to Saint Ignatius of Loyola, the founder of the Jesuits, as well as the great Christian martyr known as Saint Ignatius the Martyr. Often we should have the devotion to the saints of our name. For example, my name is John. Why I am named as John? Because I need to emulate the characteristics, the good qualities of Apostle John. So the same way, whatever that your name is, you can emulate that saints, have a special devotion to that saints. She lived a virtuous life and died on 20th of June 1612. She was only 21 years old. So you can imagine, dear people, even at the very young age, she offered herself totally to our crucified Lord, and she left a great legacy for all of us. Let us now pray for her soul. Eternal rest grant unto her soul, O Lord, and let perpetual light shine upon her. May her soul rest in peace. Amen. May God bless you all.